Hello students, hope you all fine. Today we shall begin our chapter first introduction language. Language as a matter of common knowledge, it is the medium of communication through which we express our emotions, ideas, feelings and thoughts with our fellow people. Listen here students, language it is a matter of common knowledge. It is the medium of communication, means a way of communication through which we express our emotions, our feelings, our ideas and thoughts we share with our friends, neighbors and parents, etc. Especially English is a universal language, and in a language we want alphabet. Language is mainly composed of letters which stand for signs or sounds. The letters in a language is totally treated as the alphabet of the language. Language is mainly what composed of letters. Every language, you take Kannada or Hindi or English, all have letters, and which stand for a signs or language, means the stand for that letters, signs or sounds. The letters in a language is totally treated as the alphabet of the language. The letters in a language we treated as the alphabet of the language. The alphabet of English is composed of 26 letters. How many letters are there? 26 letters are there. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Each letter has an uppercase and lowercase. The alphabet is based on an Latin script, which is the basic set of letters common to various alphabets originating from the classical Latin alphabet. There are 26 alphabets but sounds 44 sounds in English, 24 consonant sounds, 20 vowel sounds, 44 sounds are there. In British English we say Z, in American English we say Z. The English word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. The letters do not always represent the same sounds of English. Let's now alphabet. Capital letters or uppercase letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are the capital letters. Let's now lower case or small letters. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. These all are the small letters. Let's now alphabets and pronunciation. English alphabets and their pronunciation. As we go to all of them from A to Z. A apple. B ball. C cat. D dog. E elephant. F fish. G grapes. H hurt. I igloo. J jam. K kite. L light. M monkey. N nest. O orange. P pear. Penguin. Q quill. R rose. S strawberry. T tiger. U umbrella. V van. W watch. X xylophone. Y H Z zebra. And these are 26 alphabets in the English language. Let's now division of alphabet. The alphabet of English is divided into two classes. One is vowels, another one is consonants. A sound we make when the breath flow out through the mouth freely without being blocked. The English letters, 5 letters like A, E, I, O, U are known as the vowels in English. We cannot write even single word without using vowel. For example, you take cat. C A is a vowel. T. Car. Book. You take many words must have a vowel or vowel sound because they represent such a sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds in English. Next, you will take consonant. The remaining 21 letters of the alphabet are known as the consonants in English. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are the consonants. Actually, consonants 21 letters, but sounds 24 sounds. Okay, let's now word. Word is a basic element of language. It is a basic element of a language. Word means a group of letters which gives us the complete meaning is called word. A group of letters which gives us the complete meaning is called word. For example, RCA is a word, but it is not have meanings. You take car, CAR, car. It is a given to the complete meaning. This is a correct word. And you take TBA, wrong word. You take BAT, bat. It is a complete meaning. OGD, wrong word. DOG, dog. It is a animal. PPLAE, wrong word. APPLE, apple. Correct. It is a type of a fruit. OOLCHS, wrong. SCHOOL, school. It is a correct. Okay, these all are the example of words. You know, childrens, you prepare these all words and practice in your home. Write 25 words in your English grammar book. You make a separate 100-page grammar book and write these all grammar in your book. Thank you, children.